Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to flatten the hollow tube in Solidworks. We do like this. Go to From Plan, Active Line, click from this point to this point, click from this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make this line length is 200mm and this line length is 200mm, and exit sketch. After that, go to Walnut feature, active structure member, click this line and this line. I'm choosing weldment type is curved tube and the size is 20x20. And now active rocket profile, click this point, C, and in this parameter make 1.5mm. See, now the tube have a gap, and click OK. And after that, hide the sketch and go to this face. Active rectangle, click from this point to this point. Active Smart Dimension, make this line length is 5mm and this line length is 5mm. Go to Feature, active Extrude Cut, choose Through All and click OK. See? Now go to From Plan again, active line, click from this point to this point and to this point, and after that go to Sheet Metal feature, active Base Flange. See? Now make this direction is mid plane and the parameter, the direction is 12mm. Check reference direction and now click OK. See? And after that, go to Insert, go to Feature, click Combine. Combine all parts like this. See? Now the final step is click active Flatten. See? Now you know how to flatten the hollow tube. That is Quick Tips. See ya!